Happy morning, children. So children, our today's chapter is parts of speech. Our topics are adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection, and this is our second part. Okay, so come on, let's start our class. So children, our first topic is adverb. What is adverb? An adverb tells us more about a verb, another adverb और adjective. Adverb क्या होता है? जो एक verb के बारे में हमें कुछ ज़्यादा जानकारी दे, which give us a more information about a verb. For example, look the example carefully. The tortoise walked slowly. What is the verb here? What is the verb here? Come on, tell me, Rudra. What is the verb here? Yes, it is walked. And come on, Anushka, tell me, कैसे बताया? कैसे पता चला हमको कि वो walk कैसी की उसने? Yes, he walked slowly. So slowly is describing that how the tortoise walked. We are getting an additional information about the verb. So slowly is my adverb. See, this is an adverb. Now next is preposition. A preposition shows the relation between a noun, a pronoun and some other words or words in a sentence, which give us a relation between different words in a sentence. That is a preposition, जो हमें relation बताए. Example, Samira sat on the chair near the window. Kitharthi, tell me, which is the noun here? Yes, it is Samira. Now, there are two nouns here. Come on, Sia, try to identify the nouns here. Yes, it is chair and window. These are nouns. And see children, observe carefully on. On is describing a relation between Samira and chair. Samira sat on the chair. So it is describing the relation between them. So on is our preposition. Why preposition? Because preposition shows the relation between words in a sentence. Second is near. Near is also describing the relationship between chair and window. The chair is near the window. So near is our preposition. Okay? Clear? Yes, I know it is clear to you. Then is conjunction. A conjunction helps in joining words, group of words और sentences. Conjunction क्या करता है? जोड़ देता है words को, sentences को. ठीक है? Let's see. Jeetu and Mona are my classmates. इसको मैं दो sentences में भी लिख सकती थी. Okay, I can write two sentences also here. For example, Jeetu is my classmate, Mona is my classmate. These are two sentences. Now, if I want to join these two sentences, what I will do? I will use a conjunction because conjunction joins sentences. So, instead of these two sentences that Jeetu is my classmate, Mona is my classmate, I am using a single sentence here, that is Jeetu and Mona are my classmate. So, and is a conjunction. Okay? And it is joining these two words also, Jeetu and Mona. So, conjunction helps in joining sentences or words. Interjection, very simple to identify. An interjection expresses a sudden feeling. For example, your joy, your sadness, your sorrow, all these emotions are expressed by interjection. For example, hooray, my team won. Hooray, is there any meaning of the word hooray? No, there is no meaning of the word hooray. It is only used to express your feelings. Your expression of joy is expressed by the word hooray. So, hooray is our interjection. Now children, read these sentences carefully. I walk every day in the morning. Second sentence, he went for a walk. In sentence 1, walk is a verb since it expresses an action. In the first sentence, walk is describing an action. I walk every day. It means I am doing a physical work every day. That is walking. So, it is a verb. In second sentence, walk is a noun since it names something. I went for a walk. Here, walk is name of an activity. Let's see another example. The tiny ant fell into the pit and it cried frantically, help, help. The tiny ant fell. Fell is an action word, so it is a verb. The ant fell into the pit and it. Instead of ant, we are using the word it. So, it is our pronoun. The words which are used instead of noun are known as pronoun. The tiny ant fell into the pit and it cried. Cried is a verb, okay? Because रोना भी तो एक activity है ना. So cried क्या हुआ? Verb. But how he cried? Cried frantically. It is describing the verb. So frantically is our adverb. The tiny ant. The tiny word is describing our noun, that is ant. कैसी ant थी? Tiny, छोटी ant थी. So our adjective here is tiny because it is describing our noun. Okay, ant is our noun. We have done this. Then preposition. The tiny ant fell into the pit. Into is describing the relationship between the ant and the pit. So, into is our preposition. It describes relationship. And is joining two sentences. The tiny ant fell into the pit. And it cried frantically, help, help. So, and is our conjunction because it is joining two sentences. Cried is a verb, we have discussed it. And interjection. Help, help, help. Those words which are having the exclamatory mark are interjections. Help, help, help is our interjection. Okay kids, now time for, yes, time for worksheet. Pick out interjection, preposition and conjunction. Jeet or Jay must stay back. We looked for the ring under the table but could not find it. Oh, the dog fell into the well. The beggar was sleeping under the tree. They are planting saplings in the garden. Very small exercise I am giving you, okay? So do it very quickly as soon as you finish the video, okay? So for today, this was it. Study well. May God bless you.